So, hello everyone. Can you see my screen? So right now I'm sharing my PowerPoint for the new software of the PI Studio version 9.0. So this is our new released software. Okay, so a lot of new function and a lot of new UI in this version. So let's get started to overview for all this content. Okay, so we will divide into four parts for today's meeting, and the first one is PC software, and the second one is HMI function. The third one is the protocol driver, and the last one is the new model. So for the PC software side, we make some change for our user interface and then some new tool. This is our new tool, the device management tool. So I will introduce how we use and how it looks like on the following part. So for the first user interface, now we embed the WECON support center on the homepage. So you can see on the when we first time opening this software, the support center is on the middle in the software. Okay. In the previously version, we just have this one. So recently opened project. So this is the first change, and the second one is about the online update. So with this function, we can more easily to obtain an upgrade version. No need to get the update version from the official website. You can directly click it when we release the new version. Okay, so if you click it and it will install the new patch or new version setup. So also if you so we can see on the upper right corner of the PI Studio there is the new login button. So if we have some fixed bugs or some new function, can send some package to the designated user. Okay, so there is the uh, promote window, so we can click download to obtain the update. And the following one is when we new the project, now we can its interface is changed. So we can click the screen style and change the model name. Oh, sorry, project name and the model selection. So there is another big change. So we have right for the new version software, we have a bigger canvas for the editor. Okay, so in the previously we only can drag or draw any object on this area. Okay, but for the new version, we can drag any like B switch or any button objects into this draft area. So if you when you compile it and download into the HMI, those objects on the draft area will not show on the screen. Okay, same as simulator. So there is my project, right? So right now only this bit switch and this function switch on the screen area, and this text is on the draft. So when I run this offline simulator, you can see this text is not showing on the simulator, same as the HMI display. Okay, so it is for more convenience for the user. Okay, our project edit will be more flexible with uh, this function. So second one, it is about our new tool. Okay, this so first key function is for the local management. So we can search the HMI only HMI on the same name. Okay, and also we can bunch download for the project to the same model. And the second function is about the cloud management. So if we, because this tool we can log in with our WinX account. So if we log in account on this tool, then we will see the device list on the left side. Then we can persist like WVPN pass-through or PLC pass-through or remote download for the HMI. Okay, as long as this HMI is bound into account. Okay. So and the last one is about the central monitoring. So because you can see there is some button on this device. Okay, this button is about calling central monitoring. So if we enable it on this tool, or enable it on this tab, we will see the device display on this central monitoring tab. Okay, so we can view all this is HMI on this part. So I will show you a video to you guys. Can you see this video?
Download tool upgraded. Get the latest device management tool. Integrate for functions meet your needs. 1. Local management.
Okay.
Open the device management tool. We can see the device management at the first page. Enter the IP of HMI in the search box at the top.
So you can see we can using this search bar to input the IP or model name, we can do the fuzzy search now. So if you input like the 3070 IG, then you will shoot on the device if is relative to this name. Okay.
Click Search to search for the HMI in the local network. The second box can do a device search on the device list.
So this is the fuzzy search. So we can do the name search on this bar.
The toolbar on the right is similar to the download tool. For the lock configuration, preserve network configuration. 2. Batch update. Select the required.
So you can see for the bunch download, for this bunch update, we can do the update the project or firmware. Okay.
Select the required project file from the folder. The tool will display the operable HMI according to the selected file.
So this required condition is that the model must be the same. Okay, so if the model is not the same, we cannot do this.
Select the HMI that needs batch operation and download it in batches. 3. Cloud Management. Click the Cloud Management, enter this page. Click Login to enter the login page. In the
So we can see there, we can select all these 3 server for the
configuration, we can select the required server. After logging in, we can see all HMI on the VNet account. On this page, we can execute PLC pass-through, VPN pass-through, HMI remote control, and HMI pass-through. Integrate for major functions of VNet. Remote debugging with just one software. For central monitoring, first, select the HMI to be monitored in the device list. The device can be from local or cloud. After checking, we can see the HMI in central monitoring.
So we can do the monitoring or controlling on this tab. Okay. So you can see when I click it and the HMI screen has corresponding response.
For functions, help you better manage your devices.
So this is about device management tool. Okay. So for the PC software side, this 7-point summary. Okay. Assess our support center online updates, UI optimize, and canvas extend, and the bunch download, single download, pass through, and central monitoring. Okay. So any question for first part? If not, we are moving on the next. For the second part, we introduce about the HMI function. Okay. So first is some new object. So this is our first new object. It is called recipe record. So you can see it is totally different from the previous recipe table. You can see we have some uh, to combine or combine all the button into this object now. So we can, so we not didn't like previous recipe table. We need to create the function address one by one. Like write into recipe, I need to create the button and download the uh, read the recipe, create another uh, button. Okay, it is more convenience now. So for this new recipe, we just need to configure this start address. So you can see we remove the function address now. We just need to input this element address. So this is for configuration part. Sorry. And for the third one, it is for the object. For object display, we just need to uh, select which recipe we want to use. Okay, and because this all this function is combined into the object, we just need to enable or disable which function we want to see on this object. Then click OK. Then this configure will be done. Okay. So this is some operation demonstration. So you can see I did directly select on this. Sorry, directly select on this row, and I can click the download or upload. Okay, so upload is for change into the table, and the download is for read the data from the table. So this is for create new recipe group. So the operation logic a little different than before recipe. So this is create the new one, and the next one is for query in the group. So here this tab this interface, this window is for we can search for the group name. Okay, and click this icon, and it will help us to locate which load it is. Okay, this is for delete. And also we have right now have cell edit. Okay, so if you double click on the table cell, you can edit the single element for the group. Okay, so all this is for the convenience for the user. So now it is for export the CSV file. So I named it as bread machine, and it is CSV format. I delete is to distinguish with the old recipe file. So right now on this tab only one recipe. Okay, so if I import it, the new recipe, so we have a new configuration can select. So I double click it on this file, so you can see we switch in the recipe file. Yeah, yes. So this interface is no need to manually to create like the insert group or write into the recipe or read into the recipe. Read from the recipe. Sorry. Or all the function in one object. So it is more easier configure for the user. So the second one is for the pie chart. So you can see we have so second one is for the pie chart. We have uh, three shape for this like circular, ring, and fun shape. So I will also showing a video to you guys. So all the model is support this pie chart. Okay. So it is for 16 sector. We can set up. Okay, maximum. So let's start address is for if the first sector is for example I have two sector. Okay, so first sector is HDW 0, then the second sector is for HDW 1. So just like this. Okay, so here we said it is support continuous addresses. Okay. So this is about pie chart. And then the third one is for the PDF reader. So now our PIHMI have the capability of to reading the PDF file. So I also will show you another video. Okay.
Open the root folder.
So we can support the reading the PDF file from the U disk pen drive or the SD card.
Choose the
Okay.
PDF file you need. Then you can view the CSV file in the WECON HMI. Use special registers to change the display page. Multi-page display more intuitive browsing of the entire PDF file. Built-in up and down page buttons.
So we can change the retail of the page. Also, we can turning the page by this reader object.
Free up your register. Freely scale the page to suit your needs. Support page rotation to meet the needs of different angles.
Also, the rotation. So this function only supports available for 8,000 IG. Okay, so if 3,000 IG also no support this PDF file reader because this will cause a lot of CPU performance. So we just consider adding on 8,000 IG. So for this object, we only can view on real HMI screen. So if you want to remote to view it, it is not support. Okay. So it is for the PDF reader. Wait. Yes, we will upload those video on the YouTube channel. Okay. So the next one is about the alarm message. We support the variable display now, so we can before we just able to display the static message for our alarm info. Okay, but now we can insert like HMI internal address or PLC communication address for this alarm content. Okay, so this is the display result for this example. So just to write into some fixed format. So then we can display those variable. Okay. And the next one is for the system keyboard. So this keyboard, it is will more like the cell phone input keyboard. It will like have, if you pop out it like slider animation. Okay, so here is the display. So if after you input it, you must remember to click this enter. Otherwise, if you directly to move out this object, then all the content you input will be cleaned. Okay. So also if we can previously if we want to make some change on our this numeric display or character display, we need to input over again, okay, from the beginning. But now if we have the new system keyboard, we can input the character or number in right in the middle. Okay, so it is more convenience for the user, for the client. Okay. Also, we support the multi-line display now. So if you have very long text to display, we can new another line for it. And also we have some optional character encoding for the character. So if some for example like some other PLC support different encoding, then we can change on here. Okay, so our default encoding is the UTF UTF-8. Okay, and the next one is about the countdown reminder. So before, if we add this minimum press time for our bit switch or another button, so we didn't able to see any tips or reminder on the screen. But for the new version, if we press on the button, we will see this countdown display animation. Okay, so like just like this, I press on it, and it will count down the second. And another one is about the new version multi-link. So this multi-link is means that we can display the same HMI project for the various HMI. Okay, so on this occasion, so only one master HMI is communicate with the PLC, but all the others slave HMI is connect to the master HMI only. So for some long long production line application will require something like this. Okay, so I will show you this video. Sorry, this wait a moment.
Hey everyone, this is Jet, an engineer from WECON. Today I want to share with you the new function of PI HMI. First of all, let's see why we need the multi-link function. Let's imagine a scenario. A user has a large factory with a main PLC and 3 device stations. The distance between the stations is 100 meters. The user needs to control the PLC in all stations. But the PLC and HMI only support serial port connection. In this case, we can use the multi-link function. After using the multi-link function, the slaves can control and view the project of the master. Only the IG series can support this function. If a 3000 IG is used as a master,
So for 3000 IG, it is for can support 10 slave and max, and 8000 IG is 32. Okay.
it can link to 10 slaves at the same time. For the 8000 IG, the number is 32. There are 3 things to notice. 1. The master and slave need to have the same image version. 2. The master and slave need to be the same line environment. 3. The master and slave need to have the same resolution. Now,
So same name, which means we can not only the Ethernet cable is okay, also if you have Wi-Fi HMI is all on the same lane, it's also okay. So another required condition is must be in the same resolution. So if the master HMI is 7-inch, so all the other slave must be in the 7-inch too. Okay. But so which means if my master HMI is 8070 IG, then slave HMI can be 8070 IG or 3070 IG. Two model is also okay. Okay. As long as the resolution is the same.
let me show you how to configure it. First, go into the backstage of the HMI and check the image version of these HMIs. Then click the IP of these HMIs to ensure they are in the same line environment. All these HMIs are PI 3070 IG, so they have the same resolution. Let's check the master setting. For the master, there is nothing that needs to be set. The only setting is the password, which makes the slaver enter the password when connected. But we can leave it blank. In this demo, I set it as 68. For the slave, we can see all the other HMIs in the same line. We can choose one of them as the master. Then, click the connection and set the master's password. If the master has not set the password, we can simply click OK and leave the password blank. If the slave connection is successful, we can see the QR code and the machine ID on the master page. Now, the master and slave are synchronized. The next topic is about the group function of multi-link. In a normal multi-link setup, all slave and the master share the same screen. But if the user needs to focus on monitoring the data of a single station, they can use the group function. This allows user to view different screens of the master on different slaves. Let's open the master page again. We can see there is a button for the group. Click it, and we can enter the group page. We add the group, set the group name, and the screen number. The screen number refers to the initial screen of the slave, and it must come from the program. Then, we add the slaves to the group. Okay, now I have set up 3 different groups for 3 different stations. Let's restart the HMI and see the result. Now, the 3 slaves view different stations, and all of them can control the master. That's all I want to show today. Thanks for watching.
So for our new multi-link, we also can do the synchronized screen, also the asynchronized screen. So this is the new point. Good, okay. So another one is for our new backend. Okay, so we have multiple method to enter our backend. So this is our old method. Okay, long press the upper right corner, and another one is we have the floating ball for the HMI, and the third one is for the special register. Okay, and another point is about we isolate the project and the back end. So on the previous version, if we want to exit the back end, we must to reboot our HMI. But if for the new back end, we not need to click restart, and just to click this back, and we can see the project screen again. So, and also we have this brand new UI for the user. So 3 methods to enter it, and so this is the first one. So you can see it is upper right corner long press. And then the second one is the floating ball. You can see this is home icon is our floating ball. So if we single click, you would enter it. And then the third one is to trigger this special register. Okay. Sorry. So here I click on the special register and also enter the backend. So for the new version, we also have this remote backend. If our mobile phone or PC is same name with the HMI, so we can access the backend interface remotely. So this URL format, it is the HMI IP at the port number. So for example, our HMI IP is this one. Then and the port number is 1991. Okay. So if because uh, it is has a login page when we remote access, so it is required to input the username password. So our default is admin and 6A. Okay. So I will also show you a video. So you can see our this is our IP is for the lane monitoring, right? And right now I'm input the IP at the port number. So now, right now we are logging uh, in our account. So it is default to display in Chinese. So I change on we can change in the language on the upper right corner into the English. So this remote backend so is very similar to the backend function like we can see the model name and machine code and some version info, and also we can change IP, and if the HMI or VBox supports the Wi-Fi module, well, then we can change in the VWLAN setting and some other system setting for example COM port or Ethernet communication, and also for uh, cloud management is diagnose the network for the current device. And also so this is demonstrate on my cell phone. So you can see, because right now my phone and the HMI is on the same. Sorry, my RH is on the same lane, so I can directly input my RHIP. So you can see it is same to the PC web page. Because right now I'm input the password, so it is black right now. So it is same. And also for the overview to our backend interface. So I'm demonstrate with my RH Wi-Fi. So you can see in the first network is we can change some Ethernet and Wi-Fi setting, and this net dialog, and we can update our HMI firmware and project or PLC project. Also some system setting, restart button, and the last one is in the cloud. Some changes, some priority setting, and the multi-link is on this page. Okay, this cloud page to set up. So this is about our new function, recipe record, and system keyboard, multi-line countdown reminder, and new backend. So any question for this part? If not, now we are moving to the next. So for the new protocol, we developed on for some new free tag protocol for on this software. Okay, like the OBC UA server and client, and some Siemens S7 1000 1020. Oh, sorry. S7 Ethernet FreeTag, and Bakehoff TwinCat PLC Ethernet is also listed on new version, the developer. Okay. Only other is for the common PLC communication. So the last part is about the new model. Okay. So the first one is the 3101 IG. So the primary difference between this 3101 IG and the 3102 IG is the mounting size. So our 3101 IG, it is this 259 multi 202 millimeter. Okay, so it is compatible compatible with the other competitors 10.1 inch. Okay, so we can directly replace them. Okay, so also we have the dual Ethernet model for this. So it is with the N suffix name N, which means it is dual Ethernet port. And also the 8101 IG also is same with the 3101 IG, the same mounting size. Okay, but it expand memory and flash storage. And also if we want to do Ethernet, we can pick this 8101 IGN, and it is constant with the IoT function. And this is our new 12-inch screen. It's 8121 IG. Okay, so you can see it is looks like this one. This is its appearance. And next one is the RH Wi-Fi. So it is programming by our PI Studio. Okay, and also we can display it because it supports HDMI port. So we can display large monitoring screen via this HDMI port and display, or we can display a web page on the LAN or VNet. And the last one is the RE series. Right now we have RE00 and RE4G, so we can communicate with the Ethernet or serial port. So we can access it from the VNet app, okay, or the VNet client. So this is all the content I want to present today. So any question for today's meeting? On OPC UA is not available for someone. Yeah. Right now OPC UA is only available for the 8000 IG. Yes, we will show the presentation after meeting.